Hello YouTube, hello all you lovely people. Right, today we are going to downtown Disney again. We're only going for 2 hours this time today. We're going to go and have breakfast in McDonald's. I'm just waiting for Jason to get back. Jason's freshening up in the bathroom. So after that we're going to be coming back and we're going to be getting the bus to downtown Disney. We're only going to have about 2 hours there, and then we're going to come back and go to Knott's Berry Farm again. So we're going to have another day there. So try to get onto some more rides that we still haven't been on yet. And we're not going to have as much food today. We're going to share the food package rather than have one each, because the food is just too much. So that's what we're doing today. So we've been up about half an hour, so the time is now 8:25. So as soon as we're ready we'll be going out. The bus is at 20 past or 10:30. So I still feel tired. I've had loads of sleep. I have more sleep here than I have when I'm at home. But yeah, for some reason I'm just tired. I don't know why. Must be excitement, I think. That must be what it is. Anyway, we're gonna, as I say, we're gonna freshen up and then we're gonna be out at McDonald's. So next time you see me, I'll be in McDonald's. Right, we're in McDonald's. Can't see us very well because I'm by the window. I've just ordered my strawberries and cream pie again, and Jason's got his oatmeal with his fruit in it. So I've just been paid with loads of change, so I've got loads of change. So back in here again. This is the fourth time I've been in here, I think. We came in once at night the day we arrived, and now this is our third morning where we've had breakfast in here. So, and there's the weather. Nice weather again. Let me see. So just waiting for it to come now. Right, the food's arrived. There's my box. I want this while it's hot because we've been talking on the phone to people. So there's my hot chocolate. That's there. And this is my strawberry and cream pie. Strawberries and cream, I think it is, not strawberry and cream. Don't think it makes any difference what you call it. So I'll get it out the box one-handed if I can. Well, I showed you this the last time, so let's get it out. There it is. It's there, with a strip of red on it. So that's that. It's lovely in sun. Oh, the sun's coming out a lot more now. So I'm just gonna tuck into this, and then I'll speak to you afterwards. Then we've got two Knott's Berry ducks. They're probably a couple, because they mate for life, ducks. They don't stay together, but they mate. When it's mating season, they come back together. Yeah, there's one there and there's one there. I don't want me hat in the vlog. We're sitting in the lobby. We are sitting in the lobby, waiting for the bus. We went outside, but it's too early at the minute, so we're sitting in here. So here it is. There's the lobby. And over there, there's a picture of Mr. and Mrs. Knott, who originally opened the park in 1920, I think it was. So this lamp here. There's like a ledge at the top there. goes around. I mean, we went up there the other day, but it's hot before we've even been anywhere. It was like boiling. As soon as you walk outside, you can feel the heat just whoosh at you. I've got my hat. I've got my different hat on today, so I'm going to wear this one today. I look like a butcher. Like a butcher's hat. So I'm wearing this. I'll put my sunglasses on when I go outside. I can't be bothered to put my normal glasses on, so I can still just about see. So I'll stick these on when I go out. I don't want to keep changing my glasses. I can't be bothered to do it that quickly. That feet, all the time. So we're just waiting in here. We've got about 10 minutes for the bus. Right, everybody, we're back in downtown Disney. Just come through security. So here we are again. Here we are. Back here. I wish that boarding wasn't there, because I could see the whole of that castle thing, but never mind. We'll be back at some point next time. I'm going to, hang on, just turn the external microphone on. Now there's Disneyland, where we were 2 days ago, and tomorrow we will be going into there. Disney's California Adventure. So that's another park. So we'll be going into there tomorrow. Because we haven't got a ticket for today, so that's where we're going to be here for a few hours, get a little bit of a Disney fix, and then we'll be going back to Knott's Berry Farm. But this has a better feeling always when even when you're just here, it has a better feeling. It gets you inside. Whereas I don't feel that at Knott's Berry Farm. To me, it's just a theme park. But this is emotional, and I don't know, there's just something about this place. But that's as far as we're going to get today in Disneyland Park. Just looking at it from here. Because there's the turnstiles, which we can't go through today because we haven't got a ticket. But tomorrow we'll be going through that one over there. Oh, have you lost it?
Can you see it?
Oh no. Oh, have you lost it? Oh, I don't see you've lost it. Oh no, it's there. It's behind. It's behind you, Jason. Get it out. Oh, I thought you'd lost it. We're back in the Disney shop. Here you can see we're in the Disney shop. So we can have a look at some stuff in here. So we've got some plushes, or soft toys if you're in a British viewer. I'm just going to turn my microphone on. Right. Right, I'm all set now. Just Winnie the Pooh, Donald Duck. Oh, I don't like that Donald Duck one. It might not be Donald Duck, it might be one of his nephews, I don't know. Oh, it looks like him. I don't like the face, it's not very nice. Joy. Buzz Lightyear. Woody. If you like Toy Story, there's all your Toy Story characters there. Lutzo at the bottom. And there's Coco, when he dresses up as a skeleton. Miguel. Wally. There's the two Wally ones. Ratatouille, or Remy from Ratatouille. There's your Lion King stuff there. And then we've got the usual ones, Mickey and Minnie, down there. Chip and Dale, Winnie the Pooh, Dumbo, Tigger. So this is a huge section for soft toys. And there's loads there, look. I think that's the Princess and the Frog, the crocodile. I don't know what his name is because I haven't seen that film, so I don't know. There's Stitch there. More Stitches. So there's like a huge section of plushes or soft toys. Oh, I think this is Dante from Coco, but without his colours on. It's when before he's a ghost, before he's a spirit. I don't know who this one is. There's Hey Hey from Moana, the chicken from Moana. Some more Remy stuff. I think that's Dante again as a spirit now. Minnie Mouse. Cups and t-shirts. Lightsabers. I don't know how I was trying to get these out. I don't know how to get these out. Obviously the thing comes out there like a bit of light, but I don't know how to get it out. I press buttons and I don't know how to get it out. So there's a button there. I tried twisting the top. Don't know. Ewoks. So this is the Star Wars soft toys section. Grogu. I'm assuming it's Grogu because he's like the latest one. I'm not sure. I know who that is. That's R2-D2 because I know the old films. I'm not sure who that is because obviously that's from the new films, the newer ones which I haven't really seen. I'm not a huge Star Wars fan, so I don't really go into all the films. Pirates of the Caribbean. That must be Jack Sparrow's boat with Mickey Mouse on the box as the pirate. We've got the bags. Oh, there's a fridge magnet. I bought this fridge magnet the other day. So I bought that one the other day. So I've got that now. And then there's this one as well. You can see here. So there's another one. I like that one. That's a nice one there. I like that. It's quite heavy, that. The magnet's the back of it's a magnet. The whole thing's a magnet on the back. So that makes it a bit heavy. Oh, I like this. I like that one. That's quite nice. Minnie Mouse one. Up there. There's just tons and tons and tons of different things. Jason's gone outside, so I'll go and find where he is. I can't see him. I'm just going to view it, vlog it. There you go. Oh, Jason, you can film me doing that. She's asked me if I want to try doing that. You can film us doing it. Yeah, you can buy droids and make them in there. This is you can make them in here. And then this is you can test them out here. She's asked me if I want to have a go on one. This lady's trying it out here, so you can actually buy them in here, make them, buy them in there, and then try them out. Check a photo. Right. I'm trying out some beignets because I've never had them before. And look at the. Wasn't expecting them to be this big. These are just like the original ones, and they're covered in flour. This is going to choke the hell out of us when they eat it. So this is going to be. We're going to be choking to death on these, I'm sure. So this is where we've just been. Beignet Express. We've got 4 of those in there. Only wanted one each. We've had one each. We hadn't to bring the other ones out. So we only wanted one. Go in there for one and you've got to buy 4. It's ridiculous. So we only wanted one each. So we're taking the other ones home. We're just going to leave them in the hotel. So everything's got to be big here. It's like you can't just have like 1 or 2 or something. You've got to buy like loads of things. But
and then there's a gift in the mail.
We'll have to go back on the bus now because the bus is due, so we're going to be walking out towards the entrance of the park now, or the exit of the park. I needed a little bit of food because I was drinking and it was bloating me, it was making me feel sick, so I was getting stomach pains. I was drinking all this fizzy. So we're heading out now. Because we only wanted to spend a few hours here, like we said. So we don't need to rush, Jason. Right, we're out of the park. We're sitting at the bus stop, waiting for the shuttle bus to come and take us back to Knott's Berry Farm. We're going to go and sit in the pools for a bit, and we'll go back and sort of like relax in the pools for maybe an hour or so, who knows. And then we'll be back into Knott's Berry Farm Park. So it's not quite as hot as yesterday, but it's still lovely. It still could be uncomfortable if that breeze weren't there, but the breeze is just keeping the temperature down. So I think I'm getting a headache actually. But I've got some pills in this hotel. I'll have those, and then we'll get changed and go to the pool. Well, we've had to come back into Disney because our lift didn't arrive. The bus didn't turn up. So we've come back in here to hope that they'll phone the hotel for us to get them to send the bus to come and get us, because for some reason it didn't turn up. So we don't know now what to do. So Jason's rushed in, so I'm just going to stand here. I don't want to go anywhere, so he knows where I am. Oh, things. We were going to spend time in the pool now in the hotel, so that's slowed that down now. So I don't know. So I'm just going to wait here till he comes back. I'm not going to move from this spot, because otherwise if he loses me, he won't know where the hell I am. So problems, eh? Great, lovely. It's just slowed us down a bit now, so we just hope that they will phone the hotel, as they're not obligated to do it. So I'm just going to stay here. Right, we finally made it back. We did get another bus. Managed to get Disney to phone the hotel, and they did send another bus. They said the bus turned up, and apparently it did, but we weren't there, but it was because it was stuck in traffic. But they did send another one, so we're back now. So we've wasted about an hour and a half of our day. But we're going back out to Knott's Berry Farm now. Probably to do some more eating. Don't know if we'll go on any rides, because the queues might be too big, because it's obviously still the weekend. So we'll just see what's there, what's what, and then we'll decide from there. So we're giving the pools a miss for now. So we'll do that another day because we've wasted too much time. So we'll leave that for another day. But we're just freshening up and then we're going out again. Right, we are back in Knott's Berry Farm and we've come into this place called Casa California, and this is it. This is where we are. But this time we've got a meal between us rather than have one each, because even this is huge. I mean, look at the size of that. I mean, that's just huge. So we're going to share this. So we're going to tuck in and finish it off. Time for our next lot of food. Jason's gone to get knives and forks. This is what we've got. This is what we've ordered here. I wish people would stop scraping chairs. We've got some rigatoni pasta, some bolognese, and some veg. So we're going to share this because it looks huge just for one person. So we're going to share this a little bit. I'm sure it'll be delicious. Oh, there's me knife and fork there. Right, let's tuck into this. Right, that's devoured. It's okay in here, but it is very noisy with people scraping chairs. It's all you seem to be able to hear. At least now it's all I can hear anyway. It's in my head now and it's concentrating, and all I can hear is that all the time. People aren't lifting their chairs up, they're scraping metal chairs on a concrete floor, and it's just loud. It's just constant, the noise all the time, over and over and over. But other than that, it's fine, it's nice in here. That was too much for one person. Two of us ate that, it was just enough. I've finished it and I feel stuffed already. So the plan's okay for two, having like one between two. See, there it goes again. But it is nice to have the one each because then you can have different things. But I wouldn't have wanted to eat all that myself, it was too much. It was just enough to fill me up for another 90 minutes. I had to stop talking because that chair was there again. It's all I can hear is chairs. There's another one. Oh my God, it's horrendous. Put rubber shoes on your chairs. People haven't got the sense to pick them up. Listen, people, if you go to a restaurant, don't scrape your chair. Lift it up and put it under the table or out nicely. Don't scrape it because that's what happens. Anyway, enough of that. Oh. I was going to sit here for a bit and let that go down. I've had a little bit more than you have. Jason finished early, so I just finished it off. He wants a cup of coffee and I want fizzy again. So there is a drinking station along there somewhere, so I'm going to go along there. So I'm going to go in there and have it. So it's just scan my card, the annual pass, and then I can just have what I want. So I'm going to do that. Hopefully get some of this mango juice that's there, because it was horrible in the last place. It just tasted like water, it was so weak. Oh, excuse me. So we'll do that. We're going to do that in a minute when we leave here. I'm just going to let this go down a little bit. I feel like getting up and shouting, please people, enough's enough, don't scrape chairs. Right, we've decided to sit down and wait for a show to start. It's called Preserved, a musical celebration. And there's the stage there. There's all the lighting. I could just move I don't want to do it like that. There's the lighting there. You can still see the roller coasters in the background, look. Still one there. Oh, it's 23 degrees. Oh, that's not too bad, that's fine. So we're going to watch this. It's on in 15 minutes. I don't know how long it's on for. It's a nice day. No cloud, well, there's a cloud over there, but not rain cloud. But here, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's perfectly clear. Perfectly clear blue sky, look. Turn this off. Turn the mic off.
Well, howdy there, folks! Welcome to our little slice of history, right here in Buena Park, California. What a mighty fine day to tell a tale to of my good friends, Walter and Cordelia Knott. Howdy, friends and partners, I'm glad you all came down. I'm mighty pleased to meet you and show you around my town. I've got a dream that's brewing that I'd like to share with you. So come on in and set a spell, we'll spin a yarn or two. Well, Walter just bought these sweet little plot of land right off of Highway 39, and by the looks of things, he's got a hold of a brand new berry, about as big as my thumb. Well, if he can develop that, I reckon he can do just about anything. You might call old Walter a pioneer of sorts, with the same spirit of the men and women that built this fine country. Kinda dreamer, you might say. You'll see your ghost town come alive like once upon a time, with all the old guns out for and once was friends of mine. You can see them cave girls as early as can be. That saucy little dance they do the ring of victory. A rugged western history before your very eyes. They're coming and going to jamboree beneath the western skies. Their folks arrive around the train to whistles and to scenes. They set up shop in California.
was a fantastic show, really enjoyed it. Wish I should have recorded the whole thing for myself, but we may watch it again, who knows. But we are now looking for food again, because our 90 minutes is up. So all we seem to be doing is eating and drinking. That's all it probably seems to be on the vlog. But I can assure you we are doing other things as well. It's just that when we're eating and drinking, I'm sitting down. So it's easier to do stuff. But I thought I'd walk around a bit now and show you some stuff. It's starting to get dark, I think. You can start seeing the lights coming on now. So I don't think I like this hat in the vlog. I don't know. I don't know if it suits the vlog, this hat. But we're looking for somewhere to eat. We may have a boysenberry burger. So we were on the carousel earlier. We were on there, on that carousel. But the horses we were on didn't go up and down. For some reason the outer ones don't go up and down. But it was still enjoyable. So it's quiet around here now. The roller coaster seems to be off. It doesn't seem to be running anymore. So I mean, it's open till 9 today. It's on a Sunday, so it should be still quite noisy. So I mean, it's about 6. What time is it? After 6?
It's after 7.
It's after 7. Oh, it is. It's 7:05. Crikey, it's later than I thought. Normally the park's closed by now. On the weekdays, like Monday to Thursday, it closes at 6. Weekends, it's open till 10 on a Saturday and 9 on a Sunday. Oh, there's the train going by, as you can see over there. Oh, there's the roller coaster going now. You can see it. What is this clanging? What is this clanging we can hear? It's the train! There it is, pulling into the station. I think this is a dead end. Oh no, we're going down here. Going down here. Look that way. We are here, about to have a quarter chicken and a baked potato that we're going to share together. We've got barbecue sauce, we've got sour cream, and we have got, what's that? Oh, that's butter, just butter, that one is.
Oh, it's solid, but
Oh, it's a bit solid, is it? Oh, Christ. I think you should have just I have that half and you have that half. No, I've just touched that. This is where I got my turkey leg from the other day, and that was huge. And that baked potato, by the way, is a side. Oh yes, a side. Let's tuck in. Helicopter. Well, that's the chicken devoured now. Another meal gone. I don't know how many we've had since we've been here. Christ. We've had about 4 a day, I think. That's what we've had. So, as I say, all the lights are starting to show up now because it's turning dark. So, see all the lights coming on. I mean, they've probably been on all day. We just can't see them. There's a helicopter up there. Probably can't see it. It's through the trees now. Right. There it is there. Right, I'm going to pop into the gents now while I'm waiting.
back on that.
Oh, it's gone. There's hang time just about to drop. It's going to drop in a minute. going to go. It's going to go. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, I've zoomed it in. So we are sitting down again. I've just got a wall behind us. Is there like there must be some kind of construction going on behind this wall? But I'm having some hot chocolate now, and Jason's waiting to have his coffee when I've had this, because I've had to use his card to get it, because I don't get hot drinks on mine, so we didn't pay for that. So I thought it'd be cheaper if just one of us had it and waited 15 minutes for the next drink. So by the time this has cooled down, he'll be able to have his one. So, because he's got a different pass to me. His has hot drinks and like icy drinks as well he can have. And mine's just like fizzy and like cordial drinks out the machines. So he said he would wait 15 minutes so I could have that, so that's what he's done. I still feel hungry after that food. I could still eat more. Usually when I have stuff, it's like I don't want to eat afterwards, but we only had half of that one because we did share it. If I'd eaten the whole thing, I probably would have, you know, been full by then. Coming to this sort of garage area, and there's like all artifacts and horses and stuff, and got like models of things. Look at all the horses.
I would have to look around for it.
All these different horses, look. All these different horse models. That would go fast, wouldn't it? All that power behind it. Pulling all that. God, this stuff must be ancient. I think this plays music. Yes. The little holes move pins and it makes a tune. Hexaphone. Now why haven't we seen this before, this room? I mean, what is all this stuff? That flag, 145 years old. Each piece is stitched together as a separate piece of fabric. This flag belonged to Mrs. what's it say, Lucille Ross. She worked here at Knottsbury Farm 14 years. As of 2012, this flag is 145 years old. There's a lot of interesting stuff in here. These typewriters. Never seen one like that before, very strange. I mean, there's not many keys on that. I wonder. I don't know what kind of typewriter that is. Johnson only did. Oh, it's an adding machine. That's what it is. Old coins. Roulette table. Wow, look at that. I wonder how long it's been since anyone played roulette on that. Some of these things I've never even seen before. Very interesting. Rock Island Sister. Horseshoes. How? I just can't help doing that every time I see an Indian. I've seen a few of them around here, Indian models, or models of Indians. Bucking the tiger, that sounds a bit strange. You wouldn't want to say that when you're drunk, would you? Oh, it's a game. It's a traditional game of faro, or faro. I've heard of it, but I've never played it. Stones. We've got guns over there, in that cabinet there. GS Chaves collection.
Is your name George? Is your really Somehow that became a question.
Yeah.
Are there any stuff that were like used in by
No, the movies didn't exist until 1894. Now,
Tick-tock, tickle toes, one step. New program. Wide motor with large crank. Turn to desired number with small crank.
how much sugar is it have today?
Do not shake machine. Then insert 5 cents nickel into slot. So I think it's like a music thing. It must be. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Multiphone. Oh, it's a zitar, a European zitar. 100 years old. This was a $1,000 wedding gift to her mother, donated by Mrs. Gladys Boggs. So lots of different things in here. And that looks like a barber's pole, old-fashioned barber's pole. It doesn't say what it is, but I think that is what it is. I've seen everything in here now. And Jason's waiting for me outside, so I better go back out. Welcome to Ghost Town. Here you will see how a breed of rugged pioneers lived with a few tools and without garment. Without garment aid, these hardy people subdued our great western wilderness. As you go on giving thought to a past so recently gone, share with us our respect and pride for these self-reliant people who built the West. I think that's Walter Knott. That's what it says, Walter Knott. Right, we're back in the room. Another fun-filled day, but we don't really feel like we've done anything. I mean, we've walked around a lot, we've eaten a lot, and we've drunk a lot, and that's basically it. That's basically all we've done, all the time. And tomorrow is Disney World. Tomorrow is Disneyland. We will be going to California Adventure tomorrow, that park. So we'll see. I think that's bigger than the other park. I'm not sure. It might be. But I haven't been in there yet, so I don't know what to expect. But I know there is a ride in there called Soaring, which I want to go on. So I'm looking forward to that. And obviously we'll be eating and drinking as well. God knows what I'll be eating in there. There's anything like that drink I had the other day. My God. Right. What was my highlight of the day today? My highlight of the day, I think it was that show, that we watched. I think I really enjoyed that show. I think that was my highlight of the day. I really enjoyed that show. I only recorded a little tiny bit of it because it did go on for about half an hour. So it was just in that little bit at the beginning. So if I get to watch it again, I will record the whole thing for myself. But we'll see. But and I had no hero adventure today, because yesterday I was a bit of a hero because there was a little girl that was lost and we had to find her. She had no mum and dad with her. So I did take her to a staff member, and they did send security to come and get her. So I had none of that today. So I was a bit of a hero yesterday, so I did sort that out. So I hope it wasn't too long before she found her parents again. Anyway, we are going to retire for the night. Our feet are hurting a little bit again now, so I'm going to be lifting myself off of them and resting. It is only 9:07, so we won't be going to bed just yet. So I'll see you in the morning. So for now I shall say over and